So now we're going to show you the installation of the Gorilla Grow Tent gear board. The gear board is an amazingly useful piece of equipment for a Gorilla Grow Tent. You can hang pretty much anything you can think of on it. CO2 controllers, hygrometers, thermometers, larger fans. So this is a really critical piece of making a complete Gorilla Grow Tent. So what you're going to find in the box All right, so the first thing we find in here is a perforated board, which is the actual gear board. This is what you're going to be hanging your equipment on. And as you can see, it's perforated metal that for any kind of oscillating fan or CO2 equipment, CO2 controllers, you can hook them to this piece of metal with just a simple bolt, nut, and washer setup. You're going to find the main poles, and you'll find C+ poles. We do have the extension kit in this tent, so we're going to be using these C+ poles. And then what you're going to find is 4 hooks, similar to what you would find in our high CFM kits. So you'll notice at the top of the gear board does not have any holes on the poles for the clips. So any pole that you do attach to the gear board is going to have to be on the underside of it. I'm going to go ahead and attach the C+ poles first. And then I'm going to attach the main poles. Then what we're going to do is attach the plastic hooks, and you're going to want them to face a direction that is opposite the way that the gear board is going to face out. Repeat that same process for the top. All right, so now that we have the gear board put together, what we're going to be doing is clipping the plastic hooks onto the horizontal support poles, which are either going to be your A's or your D's, depending on what size tent you have. On the bottom, it's going to be easier if you pull your spill pool away, so you can clip those in first, and then we're going to clip in the top poles. So I'm going to move my spill pool away. I'm going to clip in the bottom. And then clip in the top. And there you have it. That's the installation of the Gorilla gear board.